If you're looking to host an event or meeting and you want attendees to register beforehand, create a Microsoft Teams webinar. In the Teams calendar, select the arrow next to New Meeting, then select Webinar. Enter a title for your webinar. Set the date and time, and choose a different time zone if needed. Add a description of what the webinar is about. Next, add your presenters and any co-organizers you want to be able to manage the event with you. Then, select whether you want the webinar to be a private or public event. Select Save and Send Invites. Each presenter and co-organizer receives an email with the webinar info. Now you can set other options for the webinar, such as which apps will be available, and other options, such as whether attendees can turn on their mics or cameras. Select Presenter Bios, and then Edit to add information about each presenter. The information you include here will be available on the event page that is created when you publish the webinar. Select Theming to specify how you want the event page to look. Here you can add a custom banner image, logo, and choose a theme color. Under Registration, select Configuration to set options such as the maximum number of attendees. If you have a Teams Premium license, you can also specify whether registrations need to be manually approved, whether there will be a wait list, and whether you want to limit the period of time during which people can register. If you want to collect more information about the attendees, you can add those fields to the registration form here, and specify which information is required for registration. Select Save if you made any changes. Now that the webinar is all set up, the next step is to publish the webinar site so it's available to attendees. If you want to check everything before publishing, select View Draft. When you're sure everything's ready, select Publish Site, then Publish. Teams displays an event link you can share with others to register for the webinar. The link takes attendees to the event page, where they can register for the webinar. Once attendees begin registering, you'll see their status under the Attendee Status tab. And after the event, you'll get reports about attendance and registration on the Reports tab.